Hi, Dr. Bresson. What can we do to clean our brains?
So there are a number of things that really help, and we do accrete these various toxins and misfolded proteins and damaged lipids and damaged glycoproteins and things like that, damaged cells, damaged mitochondria. So there's a lot of collection of damage each day and over our lifetimes. And so there are a number of strategies that you can do. The first one, we talk about these in the book, The Ageless Brain. The first one, and the simplest, is simply getting more deep sleep. So when you're getting that deep sleep, that is the best time. There's been a lot written about the glymphatic system and its ability to cleanse the brain while you're sleeping. To do that, you've got to get that deep sleep to get the best effects on this. Beyond that, having an optimal glutathione level, very helpful. And there are things you can take, not just things like liposomal glutathione or S-acetyl-glutathione. Some people even take intranasal or even intravenous glutathione, often with phosphatidylcholine. These things are all very helpful. You can also take sulforaphane is another good way to do this. We see all the time that people who have toxin-related cognitive decline have run down their glutathione levels. Their overall glutathione levels are subnormal. And so optimizing those, another very good way to go. And then just day to day, an appropriate plant-rich diet, high in fiber. Most Americans are not getting the 30 grams of fiber as a minimum that we need, especially with all the ultra-processed foods and things like that. So getting enough fiber in your diet, both the soluble and the insoluble fiber, another way to clean things out, another way to excrete toxins. And your body is excreting these things. It's trying to deal with toxins in every way possible. It's inactivating them. It's sequestering them. It's excreting them through your breath, through urine, through stool, through your skin, all these, through your sweat, all these things. So things like doing sauna, getting sweaty and then doing a shower thereafter with some non-toxic soap like Castile, for example, very helpful for minimizing this. Constant detox. And then people are finding repeatedly that things like plasma exchange, especially for those who have accumulated large amounts of toxins, even once a month for 3 to 5 months, can be very helpful. I know there are a number of groups that are doing this now. So there are multiple ways, and understanding where you stand, looking at your organic toxin status and your heavy metal toxin status and your biotoxin status and your organic pollutants status, all of these things can be very helpful. You can therefore see things coming ahead of time, and so much that we can do to reduce our overall toxic burdens.